Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today. And today I'm going to show you the package that I have received from the Plant Therapy Essential Oils. I am ordering from their company, I would say about once a month. And today I want to show you what I have got in this package. I've opened it already so it doesn't take forever to show you. So the first one, I wanted to order it for a long time, is Love Vanilla. This is a Synergy blend. It's not just pure vanilla, and I love it because I actually love the smell of it. It's not for everyone. It has obviously vanilla smell, and it's like sweet. I love to diffuse it in the kitchen when I'm cooking, and also in a couple of body, skincare recipes. So this is one. The next oil I have here is the one that I am reordering. This is the Orange Sweet Essential Oil. What I have discovered really is that it is better and it saves you the money to order the larger size. Let's say this one, I don't really use that often, so I ordered the small one. But this one, the orange, the next size they have, it's really a great money economy, and I didn't know that before, but now I do. So I love the orange sweet. My kids love it, and it's actually kid safe, which is great. So just for you to know, they have organic options of almost every oil, and I order organic, maybe every second time, but not always, again, because it's not cheap. So the next one is the Fennel, but this is not the one I have ordered. I also have the membership, like Oil of the Month, when you don't know what you're going to get. And I actually love this membership because I receive really unique essential oils, which I love to discover. And besides, they really help you to do that. They always give a brochure like that, where they tell about all the, what it blends with, how to use it, what it is used for, so you could actually save it. And this is just great. By the way, if you're interested, in me making a video about any oil in particular, I would be happy to do so. So the next oil I have, it's not the last one, is also the one I'm reordering, and it's the Tea Tree Essential Oil. The reason I'm ordering it also in the larger size is that because it is my staple oil. Staple oils I always have in larger sizes. They even have 100 milliliters, but it actually takes a lot of storage and it will last a long time. I use tea tree on a daily basis for, DIY recipes and skincare. Now, the last one I have here is the Grapefruit. So this is also the one I'm reordering. This is the Grapefruit, the pink Grapefruit essential oil. It's also in the large size. I love this oil, the way, it really smells, and it's good for blemish-prone skin, which I have. So I use it a lot in my skincare. And I think I also have a little brochure here. Oh yeah, they always send you something with the stickers, the receipt. Thank you. This is a sticker, so if you have kids or you're into stickers, you could actually use it. The other reason I've ordered this package was that they had a great promotion. Honestly, they didn't have a great promotion, like promotions before, but now they're coming up with a lot more. And I also received a gift. These are the small bottles. It's a gift. It's a travel bag of Plant Therapy. I really wanted to have it because I'm on the road pretty often with my baby. Carry full-size bottles or the blends. Not very convenient. So they give you the pouch where you could, store them, and you can buy that too. It's not just a gift option. And the small, tiny little bottles, I really love this option, as a gift. So this is it. I am very, very happy. I will receive another package soon because I've saved some points, so I had to order. The temptation is so big sometimes you want all of them. So again, guys, if you want, to check them out, you could check the link in the description right below this video. And if you're interested in any oils in particular, maybe the recipes, let's say with Grapefruit essential oil, or how to use it, just let me know, and I will be happy to make a video for you. Thank you so very much. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in my next video.